Welcome to Product Critique, your trusted source for in-depth reviews and smart buys. Today, we're diving into a fan favorite. What we believe is the best Co-op Home Goods original pillow on the market. The Co-op Home Goods Eat-in-Bed Pillow in queen size. If you're someone who struggles to find the right pillow, whether you're a back, stomach, or side sleeper, stay tuned. Because this could be the sleep upgrade you've been waiting for. Let's start with what makes the Eat-in pillow stand out. Right out of the box, it feels premium. The surface is soft and cool to the touch thanks to the proprietary Lultra fabric. It's a breathable blend of polyester and bamboo-derived rayon, making it silky and smooth yet durable. And if you're worried about allergies or sensitivity, this one's a win. It's CertiPure US and GreenGuard Gold certified, which means no harmful chemicals, no off-putting smells, and peace of mind for your health. Now, here's where the Eat-in really separates itself from the competition: customization. Inside this pillow is a medium soft blend of gel-infused memory foam and microfiber fill, which not only keeps things plush but also actively keeps you cool throughout the night. Overheat while you sleep? This pillow has your back and neck. What makes it revolutionary is its adjustability. You can unzip the inner liner and remove or add fill as needed to get that perfect loft and support. Whether you're a side sleeper who needs more height, a back sleeper looking for that gentle curve, or a stomach sleeper who needs a flatter surface, you get to customize it for you. They even include an extra half-pound bag of fill in the box. It's like the pillow equivalent of a tailored suit. And let's talk about support. The gusseted design, essentially that edge band that gives structure, means the fill doesn't bunch or flatten out over time. It helps maintain shape and gives consistent support edge to edge, no matter how you sleep or toss and turn. It's not just comfort, it's ergonomic reliability. Cleaning and care? The outer cover is machine washable, making maintenance easy and keeping things fresh. The high-quality materials ensure that wash after wash, it holds its texture and feel without going limp or lumpy. While some pillows skimp by using repurposed or lower-quality foam, Co-op Home Goods makes a point of using freshly manufactured materials. The result? A pillow that feels resilient, clean, and supportive night after night. So who is this pillow really for? Honestly, anyone who's done with waking up with neck pain, night sweats, or pillows that lose their shape after a few weeks. It's for those who value both comfort and control over their sleep environment. And with a 4.3-star rating from over 14,000 customers, it's clearly resonating with people who take their sleep seriously. Of course, no product is perfect for everyone. If you prefer an ultra-firm or extremely plush pillow with no structure, this might not be your ideal match. But if you're looking for balanced support, breathability, and the ability to tailor your pillow to your unique sleep style, the Co-op Home Goods Eat-in pillow is hard to beat. That's it for this episode of Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest reviews and product deep dives. Sweet dreams, and see you in the next one.